Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have already started chapter number 4, class 5 EVS environmental science, chapter number 4, and the name of the lesson is mangoes round the year. So mangoes round the year. So we will continue and we will complete chapter number 4 in this video. So we have completed up to page number 38, I think half up to page number today we will start from page number 38. Some parts we have already completed, and the remaining portion will be completed today, and we will start from same page, that is page number 38, and we'll so in this video we are going to complete chapter number 4, and it is continuation of the first video of chapter number 4. So altogether we will have 2 videos for chapter number 4. So summer treat, mummy di tandra हाइरिबसी ngасai आम पापड़ की आम पापड़ हाइबनी मम्मी di tandra si kamaina sai हाइबी तांगनि खोने तमदुइसी को. So it starts with Chitu Babu and China Babu live in Triapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. So it is one of the town in Andhra Pradesh, and we are going to start and it starts with the story of Chitu Babu and China Babu. The brothers spend the summer holidays playing in the mango garden. When the trees are full of fruits, they also like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powder. Unripe adi mundriba haibani. Haino asangbaji ngasagi thum amadi morokka namaga sabada hawi haibani. Haino gi matangdani ko. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kinds of mango pickles. So their mother used to make pickles also using mango. Pickles are the acharni. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season. Hainausi pala ani, hainausi pala ko matamda. Masai mundriba hainausi hega achar semaga thamagadi achar semagadi yam kuina thambiya haibni. Mangoes round the year haidu achar sembagi matangni. The pickle lasts through the year until the next mango season. One evening while having a food, China Babu asked, Amma, we have so many mangoes, make some mami di dandra am papar for them. Nako hainaw yam laire adana ko hainaw gi special magi hainaw dagi semba dugumba special item hai tare mami di dandra hai si am papar hai. Their father said making mami di dandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, we can together make mami di dandra. So if you want, kenogi huzigi angang ani sigi baba sina haire yam kuina changba oibana sai noina mateng pangagadi khoi semba yagani. So if you both promise to help us every day, for the next 4 weeks, we can together make mami dandra. Both the brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day, both the children went to the market with their father. They bought a mat woven from the leaves of a palm tree, poles of casuarina tree, string made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. Jaggery है दी हिंदी देना गुड़ है दी कोई ने चीनी में पाक तो नहीं का. सुमाइने मसीगी आम पापड़ सी साने बगी दमकता चंगी व पोषक सिंसी हुजिगे अंगांग निशिका नि बाबासीगा बाजारदगी चलगा लैरे हाबिनी. मसी मतम याम चंगबना मनम ओइदना अंगांग सिंसिसु याउदोइनी मसी सेमबदा येंगसी मखा ताबा picture khar su pirega. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Nong churdi aroidoini ko ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯅꯈꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. Both the brothers made a high platform by using poles. Platform ama seme makhong tawraga wangna. They spread out and tied the mat on that platform. So they make an area where they can dry mangoes in order to make aam papad. So these are the arrangement required for making aam papad. The next day, Appa chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into a large pot. ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯦꯟꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯄꯔꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯟꯕ ꯍꯩꯅꯧꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ. Then they strain the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fiber. Strain ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯁꯇꯣ ꯂꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ. To remove the fibers from the pulp, then Chitu Babu crushed the gur, ngasai chini mapaktu takhaire, till there were no lumps, matum leitu fine oina matum leitabida yahondabida yam fine oina. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amount. So in order to make papa, jaggery and sugar is required, and they are required in the jaggery and sugar are required in equal amounts. So jaggery is it's finely grinded or finely crushed and mixed with equal amount of sugar, which will be added in the process of making aam papa. So the process has started. Howre to the pulp ngasai filter tawbu khotpa tawriduna ngasai hainau diawu masing myam du lauthonabani. The next day they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. So before that, the thin layer was left to okay. So to the pulp, Chinababu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon, mixed oxale. Amma then spread this pulp into a thin layer over the meat. Yamna paba uziki mango juice ki layer ma seme. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. In the evening, they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid any dust. So it started with spreading a fine layer, and it was left to dry in the sun in order to avoid from dust or any foreign particles. It is covered with clothes. The next day, they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. So the process is repeated. The same ingredients are taken and are mixed. For example, jaggery, sugar, and pulp. Same ingredients are mixed, and they spread the layer. They spread the pulp containing jaggery and sugar over the previous day's layer. Mamangdi numitta layer ma sengbidu madugi mathakta same ingredient layer ma hapsale. This work was given to both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. Layer magi mathakta layer magi mathakta layer sum hapsale. For the next 4 weeks, they hoped that it would not rain. Ti nongmagi ngasi ama hayeng ama hangchit ama sum hapsanba. Nong taradi ngasai process da akaiba lak kadaba maram oibana nong tadari phani na hai. For 4 weeks, they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. 4 centimeter thadribu mathang sum hapsale. After some days, Amma said, "The mummy, the tandra, there is aam papad is ready. We can take it out and cut it into pieces tomorrow." The next day, the mat was brought down from the platform. Mummy, the tandra, there is aam papad, was cut into smaller pieces. The brothers tasted it. It was tasty. Chinababu said, "Wow, how tasty. After all, we have also helped in making it." So far we have discussed the process of making aam papad. So it requires 4 weeks. I mean, that means almost 1 month for making this aam papa. It is a very slow process. And ingredients also we have already discussed. What are the ingredients required for making aam papa? So some questions are given here. Why are so regarding the textual questions? Uh, the textual question and answer will be provided in the PDF form in the WhatsApp group. So you have to download it right in your classwork notebook. Why are sugar? Briefly, we will discuss. So why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? To make jaggery ga sugar hapise kaigino hairagadi, it is the process of making aam papa sweet oinaba hai tare ko. Aam papa habda changi du happy bani. Why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the Mamitantra? So while making aam papa, heno amun malo idu kai maram gino hairagadi heno amun badadi it contains more juice. How did the brothers make the aam papa or Mamidi Tantra? Write down step by step what they did for this. Asai nei negi step mayam du iu haibini. I think asai changiba posak mayam made adigi makhong the heno lorani, then jaggery is required, then sugar is required, the filter tawduni do process mayam du iu haibini mathang layer mathang hapchalakaduni. What things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? Yum the same ba amun haino amunba the haino mundaba haino asangba haitare haino asangba dagidi haino amunba gi haise haino amunba dagidi hojigi aam papar si sembe yare adagi juice thakpe yare mango juice ko mun adi haino asangba dagidi akoina achar sembe yare pickles we can make pickles chutneys also we can make using unripe mangoes. Then make a list of all the different types of pickles that you know about and share it with your friends. Not only mango, we can make pickles of lemon also, vegetable also, amla. I know there are so many varieties of pickles are there. So find out and discuss. Is there any kind of pickle made in your house? What kind of pickles is it? So you have to ask yourself and you have to give answer by yourself. What types of pickles do you eat and how is it made? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickles? They may your parents may get idea from their friends or from from your grandparents also. What all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe and write. So you have for this you have to ask your parents, your elders, how pickles are made. How are these things made in your house? So yumda papar chutney chaba leiraga chaba yauragadi kamaina sai yengbiyu hamni process to. It is a 2-day journey by train from Pune to Kolkata. If by chance it happens to travel somewhere and if it takes 2 days, if you were to go on this trip, what food items would you carry with you? So by chance if you travel from one place to another by train and if it takes 2 days, then what are the food items that you will carry? How would you pack them? Make a list on the blackboard on the packed food. What food would you eat first? So it is not fixed. So each and everyone will have different kind of food items. But generally, while traveling by train, we used to carry biscuits, dry fruits, packed in the dry container, and even we carry roti, rice also. Tangumba chakgumba puragadi adu hana chathokpa tare natadi pungidoi amu biscuit kumbaduna akoina airtight container da puraga adum kona chaba yai. Then what we have learned. So far I think this is last topic of chapter number 4, what we have learned. So glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why is this done? Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? So in the last video, that is the first part of chapter number 4, we have discussed formation of a black spot black spot on bread when we get bread outside in open. When bread chima panan thama matamda fungus kasilakpa akhoi nainagre mamangda adumaina akhoi pickles achar sema matamda season adoriba achar sema matamda season adoriba bottle si glass jar bottle si masi dry oiba tai ising yauragadi gedaudiba horen moist oiragadi fungus kasalaga akhoi semiba achar adu loinama mangani aduna glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. adigi dryer lagni hair dryer ga su lai ko hair dryer season ga to su ai natraga nungsa da putho kangan ba masima changi karigino haidi ising yauragadi horen matuda fungus growth tawrpadagi achar adu amta chabi yaro loi mangni hamni ko it will spoil the pickles. To eat mangoes round the year, we make different items like pickle. So the name of the lesson itself is mangoes round the year. But mango as a food is seasonally 20 all the year round. Masi pan manate seasonal oibani. But if you want to eat mango all the year round, then you have to you need to follow some storage process so that you can keep mango all the year round and you can enjoy mango all the year round. So some method or some process for storage of mango is required. So different items like pickle, so you can store mango by making a pickle achar semaga. Then aam papar also, if you make aam papar you can keep it for long time. And chutney, chikki, etc. List some other food with which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. Mango nataba atopa atai ke lay ko madu akhoi seasonal oiba pochaksing ado khoi chaning matamda chagi hai taragadi khu kamaina store to yani food other than mangoes. Mango nataba atopa food sing haibani ko aduna ngasai generally what we do the seasonal food. Let's take example other than mango. The method of storing other food items so that we can enjoy the food or enjoy the seasonal food all the year round. So for example banana, let's say banana yam kuina thamge hairagadi ko lafoi sisu ngasai banana chips oina ontho yam kuina thambe yai ko adigi vegetables ju koi dry tawthogadi dried vegetable have samna habada koi manipur da yongchak hairasi yongchak si kuina thamge hai taragadi koi liraga akoi musin muba thopani liraga mai thamagadi yam kuina thambe adigi nakupi hairasi nakupi se koi kanghalaga akoi store toroga thambe kanghalaga nokoi mapan lamda karigumba mapan lamda like tamba mapan lamda thawak tawba mi leiragadi ngasagi nakupi gasi akoi kanghalaga pui adi isingda tinga kanda amu isingda tinga sina yongchak kasi liraga ko store toroga thambe yai nokoi chaningo matamda chana. These are all seasonal haidi yam patkanba natraga seasonal oiba food singsi we have to follow certain methods for storing them so that we can enjoy all the year round. So the name of the lesson is mango round the year. So in order to enjoy mango, in order to eat mango round the year, we need to follow some method. We need to have some process for storing them. So we have discussed pickles and aam papar. We have discussed the process of making aam papar, which will help us to store mango and enjoy mango all year round. Sumaina koi aam papar sema kanda akoi masi store tawga yam koina thamba yani masigi process su akoi nainere sida kamaina aam papar semni hai aduga pickles achar de koi hana yamna general oiba mayamna chanaba potni masidi mayamna en khangbiramani kamaina store tawni haibidu kamaina semni haibidu pickle semagasu akoina yamna kuina store tawga thamba yai haibini. So with this I think chapter number 4 is complete, which is a part of second terminal syllabus, and yam thuna I will upload study material on the WhatsApp group for lesson number 4. Thank you for watching.